Hi, how's it going everyone? How are you all doing? Welcome once again to a new video on my channel. This time I want to share with you an amazing pack of over 100 animated backgrounds for your computer. It's an incredible pack of wallpapers that are perfect for your computer. They look amazing, and we'll be able to set them up in a really simple way. What I'm going to share with you in this video is the following folder, which I'll show you in a moment. It contains more than 100 animated backgrounds, over 100 wallpapers, each of which I personally took the time to collect, review, and make sure they are really good quality, so that you'll like them and can use them directly on your desktop. As you can see here, this is basically the folder. Here we'll be able to find more than 100 wallpapers. In total, there are 124 wallpapers as of today, but the idea is that I can keep adding more wallpapers over time. If this video really gets support and you like this kind of content, and support this video, believe me, I'll be uploading more wallpapers to this same folder. So, you'll be able to download this completely free. I don't want anything at all, you don't have to pay anything whatsoever. It's a completely free collection. To download this collection of wallpapers, it's actually very simple. We're going to go directly to the page that I'll share with you in the description of this video. You'll find the link down below, okay? Where I've shared this post that I made on my website. Here you'll find a bit of information about what the pack includes, okay? There's even a preview here of some of the wallpapers you'll be able to find. And in this section, we have the download links. I've left you 3 links, one for Mega, and one for Mega file, and I've also included a link for the Google Drive. And no matter which one you choose, you'll be able to download it completely free. Pick the download link you like best. All you have to do here is simply choose, for example, a server. Let's say you pick Google Drive, okay? And it will take you directly to the folder where you'll be able to view the wallpapers here. If you want to download a specific one, you can do it from here. Also, in the Mega and Mega file links, I've included the folder compressed in a WinRAR file in case you want to download it that way, or if you prefer to download wallpaper by wallpaper, whichever is more convenient for you. Here you basically have the entire collection. So, once you've downloaded the file, whether it's the whole thing or just a single wallpaper, whichever ones you like best, you should end up with a folder containing the wallpapers you selected, or all of them, like in this case, where I have the complete collection here. The next thing we're going to do is go directly to the Microsoft Store, the Windows Store, so we can access the following application that I also want to share with you, in case you don't know how to set these wallpapers. We're going to search here directly for the Lively Wallpaper application, okay? That's the application I use to set these wallpapers. Okay, and this would be the application. Here is where we can find it. It's called Lively Wallpaper. You need to download it directly from here. In my case, I already have it downloaded, obviously, on my computer. That's why I have this fluffy wallpaper set on my desktop now, which looks pretty amazing. So, in this case, what I'm gonna do is open the application. I have it here in the toolbar, okay? In the taskbar, this is where Lively Wallpaper would be. I'm going to double-click it to launch the application, and now we'll see how it works. In this case, here is the application. Let's maximize it, and this is how it would look. As you can see here, and you can see I already have some fonts placed. Now what you have to do is actually very simple. Obviously, you won't see as many wallpapers as I have, but if you want to add one that you've downloaded, it's actually very simple. We're going to click on the icon that says Add Wallpaper, on this plus-shaped icon. We click on this part. Here, we're going to click to select a file, Iascam, in this case, the wallpaper we've downloaded. We're going to go to the folder. In my case, I have it right here. And I'm going to select one, for example. Let's say I want to use this one, okay? I'm going to click on Open to select it, and it will appear right there. I'm going to click here where it says OK to set it, and then we'll just wait for the wallpaper to update. Let's wait. It should have updated now. If I minimize, as you can see here, I have the wallpaper and it looks amazing. Let's do a second example. I'm going to open a new wallpaper. I'm going to select, for example, another one that I like. Let's say, I don't know, I want to use, for example, this one. Okay, I'm going to use this Pikachu one. Let's see how it looks, okay? We click here on OK. And as you can see on the screen, it looks amazing. There we have it, okay? It looks really good. And well, folks, I really don't have much else to say. I hope you like this wallpaper pack, this collection I've put together. It's an incredible pack of animated wallpapers. There are more than 100, which are really great for our computer. I truly hope you've enjoyed these collections. I personally put together this collection myself. I took the time to gather them, wallpaper by wallpaper, image by image. I took the time to do this, so I hope you can appreciate that effort. At the end of this video, I'll be showing you a preview of some of the wallpapers included in this collection, in case you want a sneak peek and see what you think. That's all from me, folks. I have nothing more to add. I hope you really liked it, and we'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye!